21. This is Sri Radharani's is the topic. We're discussing verses from Vilapa Kusumanjali by Raghunath Das Goswami and the commentaries of Srila Anantadas Babaji Maharaj. And Ananda Gopal Goswami also adds some things here and there. So we're continuing with Pratak Seva, serving Radharani in Barsana Nandagram. Barsana Yavat. Now she's in Yavat. This time of the year she's in Yavat. Kartik, she's in Yavat. So this is a part of the, we're discussing the bathing of Radharani, what Radharani does in the morning, and how the manjaris bathe her and take care of her. Verse 20. Prakshalya pada kamalam krita danta kashtam snadartamanya sadane vavitim nivishtam abhyaja gandita tartar iha tailapure prodvartayishati kada kim u kinkarinam. Kinkari, he's saying, when will I be your kinkari? When will I be your maidservant and do this service? So the translation, verse 20, Vilapa Kusumanjali. When may this maidservant, this kinkari, after washing your lotus feet, brush your teeth with a twig. Twig means a stick, small stick from a tree. Seat you in the bathroom, the snangar, and then anoint your body with fragrant oils and then massage you. So what he's saying, when will I brush your teeth? When will I rub oil on your body and massage you? That's basic sevas. So there's a lila, of course, that goes with this, that's revealed here. By Swami's grace, Tulsi Manjari, Raghunath Das Goswami, gets a transcendental vision of his Siddha Seva in his Siddha Swarup. Tulsi Manjari, who is the kinkari identity of Raghunath Das, uses a twig of a mango tree twig, to brush Radhika's teeth, and she pours water on Swami's hands from a golden pitcher. As the water runs over Radharani's hands, it takes on a red color because Radharani's hand palms are like red lotus flower in color. So the water picks up that color. He's just mentioning these points to deepen the meditation. You can just say, pours water over her hand. But if you're observant when in other words, these details of the lila are for us to increase the, like you look through a microscope, we have 10x, 20x, 100x, 200x, so increase the intensity of focus and clarity of meditation on the lila. Oh, the water's pouring over, oh look, the water's looking red through her hands. Wow, her hands are so naturally red. So this is the idea. And then with the fingers of her left hand, Tulsi Manjari brushes Radha's curly locks away from her lotus cheeks. Because, she's brushing her teeth and her hair is falling. So Tulsi's holding her hair back with her hands. Imagine you're so close to Radharani in your Manjari Swarup, you should think, I'm there in the bathroom, I'm holding Radharani's hair back. What does her hair look like? What's it feel like? And what's she looking like? And then he says, and why is she doing that? Who, what, when, where, and why? Who, the Manjari, what she's doing seva, why for pleasing Radharani, and how it's described here. So there's two reasons that she holds her hair back, keeps her back on her cheeks, so it doesn't get in her mouth, while she's brushing her teeth. I guess it's loose now because she's taking a bath. So one reason is to keep it out of the way of her brushing her teeth. And the other reason is keep her hair away from her eyes. Radharani shouldn't see her hair. Why?
Black color. Krishna.
Yeah, so what's black? Everything's black. That rug is black also. Yeah, you got it. Tulsi's holding deliberately keeping Radharani's hair away from her eyes, because if she sees something dark bluish black like her hair is actually sham color, then she'll immediately get lost and drop her tooth twig. She'll get lost in remembering Krishna and drop her mango twig and stop brushing her teeth. So, when Tulsi takes Swamini into the bathroom after combing her hair, she gives Swamini oh no, excuse me. Goes on here. The Leela goes on. This is some philosophical point with Ras. After Swamini brushed her teeth, Tulsi hands her a bow-shaped tongue scraper. Swamini holds this scraper between her index fingers and thumb and cleans her tongue with it. Again, Tulsi makes Radharani wash out her mouth, and then she wipes Radharani's hands and mouth with a thin white handkerchief. These are all details of the Leela, which are details we should meditate on. The bathroom is in a private place. The door is closed. Swami is alone with Tulsi Manjari. Let's see. This is extraordinary. Being alone with Radharani in your Manjari Swarup. It's like, you see that you go to the temple and you take darshan of Thakurji and the altar, but you're some distance from Radha and Krishna. You're not very transcendentally, physically close to them. But the pujaris are right there doing arati very close and offering bhog. Then the doors close and they take the clothes off, the old clothes, and they bathe them, massage their body. So they're right there, intimate. And there's hundreds of devotees in the darshan, but only one or two are getting the fortune to be there. Those lucky pujaris that are able to be with Radha and Krishna, Radha Shamsundar, and bathe them and dress them. So these lilas are like that. We're not supposed to be looking at them from a distance like a spectator in a bleacher watching a cricket match on the field. We're supposed to be a player on the field. We're supposed to be there. That's what we're emphasizing again and again. We have to project our mind and heart and consciousness and meditation right there. Tulsi, I'm standing side by side with Tulsi Manjari, assisting her, or I'm doing it myself after learning from Tulsi Manjari, or my Guru Sakhi also.